Are you wondering how to freeze columns in Smartsheet? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So for the purpose of this demo, I've just uploaded some dummy data. And as you can see here, we've got a column that kind of isn't off of the screen by default. And what would be really useful is if we could freeze the first column or maybe even the second column as well to be able to see that last column while it's still in view. So in order to freeze a column, it's very, very simple. All you need to do is select the column you want to freeze. So in this instance, it's the first one. And so right click on the column heading, and then about halfway down, you'll see it says freeze column. So that is all you need to do. Now, when we navigate over to the sheet, you will see that the project name or the frozen column is the one that retains its place. It doesn't kind of move upon scrolling. So that's very, very useful. So I'm just going to unfreeze it. So to do that, you do the same process in reverse. So you right click on the column that you've frozen and then you click unfreeze column. Say that you want to have multiple columns in view as you do that scrolling. Then what you essentially need to do is locate the farthest right column. So say we wanted to do 3 columns, you'd essentially find the last column and do the same thing. So right click on here, click freeze column. Then if we scroll, you'll see that those first 3 columns are frozen. So yeah, you could do that with as many columns as you like. It could be 4 columns or whatever. It could be 2 or 1. Hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue recording videos like this. If there's anything you want me to cover on this channel, then drop a comment down below. Or if there's anything with this particular process or questions around freezing columns, then be sure to ask as well. Also, subscribe to the channel if you have yet to do so. If you head over to my channel, I've got plenty of other Smartsheet training videos for you to check out as well. So if you're, there's a lot of videos on different Smartsheet functionality, tools, and aspects of Smartsheet that you may want to learn from, or maybe you're new to it and stuck. Those videos will help. And there's also other videos on my channel as well about project management in general. So yeah, a lot going on over there, so be sure to check it out. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.